The protein we're interested in is called NAMP. NAMP is a protein that seems to decrease in muscle cells when you're aging. So that decrease in NAMP might lead to sarcopenia, which is a loss of muscle mass. And obviously, it can carry very serious consequences. As you know, when you age, you see that you're more prone to breaking your pelvis or your legs. And why is that? It's because you don't have that much stability in your bones anymore. So this decrease in NAMP could be really important. If we could potentially reverse that decrease of NAMP in the muscle cells, we could decrease sarcopenia and therefore decrease the aging process in humans. Mice right now are running, so we can activate a particular pathway called the AMP kinase pathway, which is related to stress and also is an anti-aging process that can get activated when you exercise. So the control mice are usually sedentary mice. What we do is that we allow them just to feed normally, drink water normally, but they don't get to do any exercise whatsoever. Experimental group is actually the mice that are running. The treadmill is something typical, and it is supposed to simulate acute exercise. And when I say acute exercise, I'm referring to running or a jog that you would do, that you're running fast enough that your body is, really going, but you're not overexerting yourself. So compared to us, a run by a mice for an hour in this treadmill, which they're doing about 0.8 miles per hour, it will be like a person running about half an hour, 45 minutes. We also elevate it so that they're working a little bit harder. Working with Dr. Brandauer has been extremely valuable for me. I have been able to look at things on my own and put together molecular pathways that I would have never thought to connect. Actually, there's a board in our lab that looks like a mess, but molecular pathways are kind of messy, and I came to that conclusion on my own, and then I found other papers that supported that. So not only have I been able to learn new techniques, but I have also been able to develop my scientific mind, and just being able to ask the questions on my own and answer them on my own is extremely valuable in the scientific world, because when I get out of Gettysburg, if I find a job as a research assistant, that's the kind of qualities that they're looking for. That's the kind of qualities that I need to use in order to be a good researcher. So.